Hi, hello, namaste, good evening to all. Myself Murli PG. Regarding with the YouTube class with respect to an academy, here I am going to take the class. So let us have the beginning of discussion. So YouTube, one of the important channel to have your preparation to prepare for the oncoming Karnataka CET, and how the toppers will going to make important moves regarding with the KCET. Unacademy is one of the good platform to achieve your goal in the oncoming Karnataka CET. With respect to that one, we introduced some of the classes or courses where it is included with the plus class. So with respect to plus class category, we are with the premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular interval, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, and full-length mock tests, etc. with analysis. Single subscription for unlimited access will be there. So you can use this opportunity to fulfill the requirement with respect to your oncoming Karnataka CET. Everything is under single subscription, where 20 plus top educators are taking the class under plus class, and 10 plus batches are there, 250 plus courses are there, 2000 plus lessons are added, and many more added every day. So use my code KCET Murali and get 10% off regarding with the price value of the plus course. And secondly, the pricing plan are as follows: 1 month plan, 3 month plan, 6 month plan, 12 month, and 24 month. So it is mostly recommended plan is a 6 month plan with the 6,000 for 6 month, and 3,750 for 3 month, 1,500 per month. So you can collect many questions, detailed theory, MCQ, and mega quiz doubt clearing sessions under this plus plan. Okay, so use code KCET 10 refers to my referral code is KCET Murali, or user code is KCET Murali, okay, to get 10% off. So use code KCET 10 refers to, you can use any one of the referral code of educators. So here I given my referral code KCET Murali, and you can have the subscription, okay, and get 10% off. Then daily 20 free practice test series. So 20 questions in 20 minutes. Take live test and get leaderboard ranking. Evaluate for your performance. Attempt later multiple times and practice regularly and gain confidence for your exam. So it is available for free, and it also boosts your oncoming preparation for the exam. So please use of it and get as much as possible questions and work on it, so it will be helpful for your oncoming Karnataka CET preparation. With this brief introduction, so this is how to enter or how to attempt a test series. So for the subscription purpose, what you should do, it is you have to download the Unacademy Learners app from the Play Store, install it, and under which search go to state CET, in which Karnataka CET, and search for different courses under plus subscription. Use my code KCET Murali and get 10% off regarding with the plus class. Okay. So by this brief introduction, now I am entering to how do KCET toppers makes note. So to get maximum as much as possible marks, how the KCET toppers are going to take their necessary steps to fulfill the requirement to get the good marks. So how do KCET toppers makes note? So note means here during the study timings, how you are going to collect the notes. Collect means how you are going to prepare. That is very important. Just reading is not sufficient. So remember, just reading is not sufficient. Writing pattern, writing or making of points, that is very important. So with respect to this thing, let us have the discussion. How do KCET toppers make notes? And it will going to enrich you with respect to your preparation, and you can achieve your goal in oncoming Karnataka CET. Yes, welcome to all. Good evening. Yes, Jyotika, welcome. So some of the important tips pertaining to the preparation plan for KCET are listed below. So which are the important techniques what we can follow? So let us see one by one point. Here I given in point wise. Okay, if you take the first thing here, while revising each topic as a part, so revising each topic as a part of the exam preparation, make a note all the important points or major highlights from each topic. What is the essence? What is the main theme of each topic with respect to that chapter? So when you are preparing for an exam, you have to make very important thing is important points as well as highlight from each topic. Major highlight, major theme of that topic, major the essence, the juice of that topic. So that is very important. Identification of that kind of topics, that kind of point with a major highlight, that is very important. Yeah. Let us take the next point here. Yes, Manoj, welcome. Sudarshan, welcome. Namaste. Good evening. Let us continue. Okay. The short notes will help you with the last minute preparation. This is another important thing. Short notes. Of course, we are having elaborated notes, many pages. In the last moment checkup with respect to your exam point of view, just before one day, etc. There, this last minute workout is based on what you are preparing with respect to that short notes. Short notes are with the important point of that topic with the major highlight. That is very important. As per the above preparation plan, regular study is necessary so that you can clear the exam with the best rank. So to get the best rank in the oncoming entire thing, the important thing is preparation plan. So there should be a plan. We have to execute that plan in a proper way. Before the entering of that short notes and making of notes, regular study along with our board exam, that is very important. Especially in this year, the Corona COVID-19, due to that one, we are with a short period of time. How to tackle this entire situation? So regular study, of course, it is necessary. Along with that, making of short notes, making of some of the important highlights of the topic, that will going to gain a lot during the last minute preparation. Okay, yes, Mahima, welcome to the class. Good evening. Sudarshan, yes. When release KCET application? Yeah, KCET application, you can visit KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority website. There they given the entire thing, so the procedure and other things. So you just visit KEA.com. KEA, you can type KEA, you will get Karnataka Examination Authority. All the required things and procedures are given. Okay, the tentative dates, etc. Now it is not released, okay? Just the PO board given the tentative timetable for your board exam, not with respect to KCET, isn't it? Usually KCET will be there after your board exam, okay? Hope it will be like that. Anyhow, you can visit the KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority website, or you just type Karnataka CET, you will get all the things. Usually it is happening the third week of May, but here what is there, they given that in the last about 1 month back, few weeks back, they given that in the May 3rd week. They just mentioned that like that, May 3rd week, and in the March and you will in the month of March you will get the application. But here nowadays they said 1 week back the board exam timetable, it was released, tentative timetable, in that they given that in the month of May and June first week the exam will be there, the board exam. Only after the board exam you will be having the KCET. So maybe it is slightly postponed, the release of KCET application, etc. Okay, yeah. Okay, let us continue. Welcome. Yes, Devesh, welcome. Satish, welcome. Okay, let us continue the discussion. Firstly, start with the subject that needs more concentration from your side. How to start the study of the topic? Start with the subject that needs more concentration. Means what? The subject which is very tough, where we have to give more concentration. So concentration to the subject, in which subject? Means our poor subject. Of course, well-known subjects, okay. If some of the topics are very tough, we have to give more focus on that one. Okay. Then it is advisable to practice 2 to 3 mock tests for or practice test per week. So this will going to enhance you. This will going to give the modulation for your mind, and also it will going to give the potentiality for you to face the questions. So practice of 2 to 3 mock tests along with reading, along with making of short notes. So practice test for each chapter, that is necessary. Remember, my dear students, for each chapter we have to do the practice test. So be prepared means here lot of things are added under this thing. Then the right attitude supported with a smart strategy can help candidate to ace in the exam and yield better result. This is another important thing. So the right attitude supported with the smart strategy. The right attitude, right focusing, along with the application of some of the shortcut methods or smart strategies, smart procedures. So these things are very much essential. So that will going to help the candidate to ace in the exam and yield better result. So we will going to get a good result, means the student will going to perform good result, and they will get a good ranking, of course. The following tricks will assist in a smooth KCET exam preparation, which will eventually help to nail a good score. So how to, here the main agenda is how to make the notes, etc. Before going to that one, here thorough the syllabus. The initial step for candidate planning to crack an examination, whatever the NEET or CET, any competitive exam, is to study the exam syllabus. So what are the different topics? Here it will be there. Actually, I taken one session under YouTube in the last month. If you visit our Unacademy YouTube channel, or if you visit my Life Science YouTube channel by Murali PG, you will get that topic. Okay, I already given the weightage for each chapter and subtopics of each chapter of biology. Okay, and also I given the weightage for the entire important topics discussion with respect to PCM, of course. In that biology I concentrated in another class, so you can see that class. Okay, you will get some points in that also. Okay, important syllabus. Then exam syllabus comprises topics that are important to cover whilst your exam preparation. So entire thing. Then studying KCET syllabus and chapter wise weightage will help candidates to perform better in the exam. So regarding this thing, I already taken one session, KCET syllabus and weightage. Okay, you can have that one. Syllabus in that individual chapter weightage, etc. Okay, and subtopics, the topics, individual highlights of that chapters I already taken in the previous month class under YouTube. Then KCET syllabus has been prescribed by the Department of Pre-University Education of Karnataka and is similar to the first and second year pre-university course. Means what? Our first and second PUC syllabus, that is equal with the KCET. Remember, for NEET a slight advancement is this, a slight application part is added much more. Okay. Anyhow, you can prepare for the KCET by using NCERT, our first PUC and second PUC syllabus. The exam syllabus covers topics from all the 4 subjects, of course, with the physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. So all the 4 things are there, PCMB, of course. Then focus on important chapter. Out of many chapters, we know that 16 chapters are in the second PUC biology, 22 I think, yeah, 22 chapters in the first PUC biology. Is it possible to focus all the chapters for other? No, important chapters here we have to take. So I given that thing in my previous class also. Okay, last month class, YouTube class. So if you visit my Life Science Biology YouTube channel, okay, my own channel, or if you visit Unacademy YouTube channel, you will get Unacademy YouTube. In that Unacademy class by Murali sir, you will get all my classes of YouTube. Okay, already over. Okay, along with some of the MCQ, etc., etc. I have taken many classes on the YouTube also. Then focus on important chapter here. While it is always recommended to cover the complete exam syllabus, referring to some of the chief topics will do no harm. Important chapters for KCET are listed basis the number of times they show up in the KCET question paper and their weightage. So based on that, I already given one session. Okay. Once the KCET syllabus has been thoroughly revised, taking a glance at the KCET important topics and chapter wise weightage will give candidates an idea on some of the chief topics to focus on. So out of several topics, on which topic we have to focus, it will be there based on that recurrent questions which are coming in the past KCET papers. Since these topics have more weightage in the exam, focusing on them will help candidates to score more and field better result in the KCET 2021 exam. Prepare a study plan. Along with that, a study plan should be there. Preparing a well strategized study plan is one among the most important tricks on how to crack KCET without coaching. Is it possible? Yes, of course. For some topics, coaching must be there. But along with that, if you are going to have a study plan, the revision plan, the scheduling of the time, that is very important. A study plan should be prepared for both long and short term goals. That is very important. One of the major advantages of devising the study plan is that it will help KCET aspirants to streamline their exam preparation and also evaluate their performance basis the progress made by them. So all those things, for all those things, the study plan should be there. Then it is always recommended that to start with early exam preparation, as this will allow enough time to be equally attentive to all the chapters involved in the KCET syllabus. This is another important thing here. So what is this? Recommended that start the early preparation. Yuddha Kale Shastra Abhyasa. That is there, isn't it? So we should not do like that. Only just before the commencement of exam, just 1 month back, if you are going to prepare, no, it's not enough. In the starting itself, if you are in first PUC, the first PUC itself, we have to focus only for the first PUC topic. When you are coming to the second PUC, we can focus on second PUC. So the burden will going to reduce. So start with the early preparation. That will give a good total enthusiasm with the full energy to prepare or to face that case. Then regular revision along with the short notes. Here short notes means I given one title, that is short notes, how to make the notes. Notes means here revision along with that reading we have to make the points. So more than being regular, it is advisable to timely revise the chapters in KCET syllabus. All times candidates tend to lose hold on certain chapters due to lack of revision. So due to lack of revision, if you take molecular biology, if you take biomolecules, if you take one reproductive biology topic, if it is very difficult, we have to read it once again, we have to revise it once again, we have to make a short notes, important points in that one. So thereby by that mechanism, by that way, we can achieve something, we can gain something, and it will be memorable for long duration of time. So now this will not be repeated if you are timely revise the chapter. So lack of revision is not at all good. Then also revising from notes is much easier than revising the complete chapter. So for that we have to make the notes. Why we need notes? Why we should prepare short notes? Why we should give importance on the main topic? Because complete chapter reading revision is not at all possible in the last moment, my dear students. So please you should take a regular step, regular revision, regular reading, continuous reading, evaluation, facing towards mock test. That is very important. Then keep your fact clear. We should have the clarity with respect to our preparation. Try and keep all the facts clear and leave no scope of doubt. So we should have a clear cut sense with respect to all the topics. There should not be any doubt. In case any doubts are burning inside your mind, make sure you put in all efforts to get clarity on them. So we should clarify all the doubt first. Don't keep the doubt in your mind. With a lot of doubt budding in, it will be difficult for exam aspirants to get a hold on concept. So to hold on concept, to have one hold on concept, we should not have the doubt. So doubt should be clarified at first. So it is important and also advisable to do away with all the doubts to be able to perform better in the exam. So that is going to enhance you with respect to good result. And solve previous year's paper and mock test. I already said, isn't it? Along with the making of short notes. Notes means here the important questions that also included here. Every exam topper advise exam aspirants to solve as many mock tests. In my college, I already for many times from past several years, I talked with many aspirants, many achievers in the CET or KCET or NEET or whatever the competitive exams were there. All the students are saying that good preparation, doubt clearance, mock test, previous year paper workout, along with the good theoretical background. That must. Solving mock test and previous year KCET question will give candidates a real-time exam day feel. So within that short period of time of 60 minutes, is it possible to complete all the questions? Okay, 70 minutes is there, isn't it, for KCET? In that 60 questions are there. Is it managed to handle that 60 questions in that 70 minutes? So it's a real-time exam day feel. So feeling of that one will be there. So it will going to give a lot of things, lot of gains to that aspirant. There is no losing anything, isn't it? So this will tend to eliminate any last minute surprises for candidates on the exam day. So we are feeling a familiar day, isn't it? It's not a special day. So solving of previous year papers, PYP means previous year papers, will also give exam aspirants an idea about the type of questions and marking scheme in the KCET question paper. So how to handle, how to give the answers, how to make the shading, and how to tackle the questions if it is mathematics type questions. So lot of time is required, isn't it? They can also compile their list of KCET important topics basis the previous year papers they take up for the KCET exam preparation. So we can have a comparison with respect to the questions. Then of course time management. Time management play an important role in the entire preparation. Role when devising a study plan on how to crack KCET without coaching. With the time management, what we mean is that KCET aspirants should devote equal time to all the topics involved in KCET syllabus. Means all the topics we have to cover. We have to focus on all the topics, and time management should be there. At the same time, they should also manage time to solve the mock test paper, sample papers, and also revise the topics they have studied earlier. So during the time of preparation, entire preparation, course of preparation with respect to KCET, time management is important. We have to give equal time for all the KCET syllabus. Along with that, we should make some time for our mock test, sample preparation, notes preparation. So devising a timetable will help a candidate to gain expertise in the skill of time management and achieve the coveted goal. Also make sure that you strictly follow the schedule mentioned and do not make changes unless required. So don't make any changes. Please follow that schedule. So it will going to have the routine work. Don't make any lazy thing. Follow that one strictly. That is very important. Of course, no problem. One day, nothing will happen. So don't make that kind of things in your mind. Always, every day, we have to focus on the subject. So we are not diverting from that route. Our focus should be correct, and notes should be there. Then believe in yourself. Stay motivated. This is another important thing. Don't let you get demotivated. Eating healthy and staying motivated is necessary to prepare well for any exam. You just have to believe in yourself. Okay, as I always keep saying to my student, believe in ourselves. That is very important. No one is born genius. It's just one's hard work and never giving up attitude that creates all the difference. So please follow this thing, you will achieve. Then be confident. Okay, you have to prepare well, keeping in mind that every winner started from zero. We are starting from zero, so we have to build up. Then they all build their own kingdom with their self-esteem and hard work. That is very important. Never lose hope. If you are working hard, then it is sure that you will get rewarded for that. That is very important point here. In the course of that study, you will going to get the reward. Then you can't sit idle and wish that you will get a very good rank in the exam all of a sudden. It won't happen always. It is not at all happening. Okay, it won't happen definitely. Then be thorough with the basics. Basic along with syllabus. Basic. There is no substitute for these books. NCERT book is very important. Make a note. So make the note of all the topics of NCERT with respect to PCMB and write down the important subtopics and make the short notes for all those things. They contain lots of information. All students wishing to get good ranks in KCET have to go through these books and understand the basic theories and their applications by heart. So application of that topic. So Remember, 80 to 90% of questions from NCERT, remaining few questions are application part of that one. There is no benefit to mugging up things. What candidates need is to understand things. Understanding is more important, and think of them at the level of application. Then study the chapters from each textbook. Okay. Then the questions based on those chapters will be given at the back of each chapter. In the end of the chapter, the questions are there. Go through them and solve them. So in each NCERT textbook chapter, at the end of that chapter, you are going to have that particular thing regarding with our theory. So that is also important. That question workout is also important. Never go for the guides in the first phase itself. Try to solve them on your own first. Don't use the guide at first. If it is not possible to discuss those questions with your friends, make the note. If you are still not able to get the answers, then you can go to your guide or teachers and solve them. Try to solve with yourself. If it is not possible, ask with other friends, students, or you can later have your guides or teachers. Understand how the problems are being solved and apply the same technique to solve similar kinds of problems if it is there in the oncoming days. Okay, so this is what the basic things we should note. Note means how to prepare, note, and what are the things we have to follow during the preparation of this KCET. And in the oncoming days means in the next day, that is on 9th, I am going to take success tips for board exam. Okay, that topics, success tips for board exam. I will going to take that topic on 9th. Okay, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, on Tuesday 9th, Tuesday at 9 p.m. on Tuesday 9 p.m. that is on 9th of this month, 9 p.m. I am taking another topic under this KCET, that is a success tip for board exam. Success tip for board exam. So if you want, you can use this plus subscription, so that here we are going to have many batches, courses and lessons from 20 plus top educators. So during the subscription, use my code KCET Murali and get 10% off regarding with the plus classes. So here you will get detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. These are the price values for different month courses, and daily T20 classes there. You can use it. Okay, you can use it. And how to attempt a test series, I given the steps here. So thank you. See you again in the next class, that is on 9th, regarding with our another topic, success tips for board exam. For board exam, next class related with our board exam, how to study, etc. Okay, that topic will be covered under YouTube class on 9th of this month at 9 p.m. So thank you one and all. Good night.